Welcome back. We are back with another Minecraft video here. Well, I found this blacksmith shop and all of this, and I changed the game mode from survival to creative because simply that all of the little, what are they called? Slimes. That's what they're called. Yeah, they were annoying me by chasing me around everywhere. So I simply got rid of them by changing it to creative. And I'm going to rob this blacksmith. Maybe. What do you got? Oh, sweet. Some pants. I'm going to take those. And I'm going to take these. Thank you. Come again. Exit. No, back to game. Whoopsies. E.
Why'd you unlock something and skip a bunch? The next car you unlock should be that one.
Okay. We now have some iron leggings. Let's go get and rob another blacksmith. If there's one. Let's see. Let's see here. Wonder if he yells at me when I leave. I don't even see him. Where's he at? Let's see what's in here. Nothing. What about up there? Nothing. Let's go this way. Okay, let's go search the temple! Or whatever it's called.
You're on my world! Bert, did you know he's on my world? He's on my world.
Okay, sorry about that interruption. Okay. Beep, beep, beep.
Where?
Oh, survey tower.
Martin's
Sweet.
bought a house that cost $380,000. Use digits and dollar signs to write that amount of money. $380,000.
Come on, jump the fence.
No.
Stupid.
You're close.
Back up. Run, jump.
Put 3 zeros. Every
Failure.
3 zeros you put a...
My stupid dude won't jump the fence. Not sure what this is supposed to be, but alright. There are slimes everywhere. I hate them. They're just pests. I guess that's what they're supposed to be, but... What the? Get out of my way. I am now your ruler. Ruler. What? Now. Eat that. Yeah, you have nothing to eat. Sorry. What the? Get out of my way, mister. Oh, you're the toolsmith. Alright. Let's see what you have to trade. See what do I have here? Beep beep. What the? No. Say, Basha, get out of my way. Get out of my way. I want to go in. Get out of my way. I'm going in. Whoa. Sorry. Okay, we're back. Let's go up the tower. I didn't realize it was this big. It looks a lot smaller. Beep, 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 beep.
Tyler.
Bye.
Where are you going?
What the? This is very creepy. I want to go down. Down. Stupid. Go down. Down. Go down. Lag, lag, lag.
What? I bet if you get a telephone,
I'll have a Purdue cover on it.
What?
if Bert ever gets a telephone, he's gonna have a Purdue cover on it.
Yep.
Purdue, Purdue, Purdue. Hey, your hat's not Purdue.
No wonder it is.
Oh, look.
Are those
I'll
your
take
Purdue
that.
gloves?
They're not Purdue. I wish they were Purdue.
Yeah. Like you wish they had
I think I used to have a pair of Purdue gloves.
There we go. Let's get down here. Ah, stop opening doors. Get out of my way, you. What's in here?
If they get in your way since you're late, you can just go there. You know that, right?
You're going to go up the stairs. Beep, 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 beep.
I counted through 96 in my mind and not on my paper. Write the list on your paper. Just kidding, I read on the paper.
What are you doing up there? Get off the table.
Okay. See you later.
Why is there another door back here? Maybe this is the diner. No, this is the butcher house. No, let me out. No, down, 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 down. Help me. No, 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 I want to go down. Stupid. I hate this. No. Want to go down. No. 1 second. I'll figure this out.